Now is available at McCarthy Cars BMW X5 xDrive 4-wheel drive 3-liter diesel 64 plate 2014 metallic black. Car has front daylight, has front bi-xenon lights, front parking sensors, has privacy rear glass, car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera, electric tailgate. Is 7-seater car, got split folding rear seats. Full beige leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 7 headrests, ISOFIX. Panoramic sunroof. Four electric windows, electric mirrors. Car has satellite navigation. Has reversing camera. Two-zone climate control aircon, heated seats, 2 central cup holders, it's automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.